cats in Africa are on another level. They sneak in. They don't see me, but they sneak in and they scavenge the whole place. I threw some French fries out there. They eat almost anything. Uh-oh, here's a baby.
Hi.
Uh-oh.
Hi, Asma.
They're in trouble.
Hi.
They're in trouble. Uh-oh, she's here. She's a little late. She was coming to get the cats, but a little late. Huh? Hey, baby girl. Salam. Salam. She looking for them cats. She's a hunter. Salam. Diminish. Banana. They got a cat. They got a cat. She spotted the cat. It's the kitty. That's the kitty. Be careful. Don't get bit. Oh, what that mean? Look. Hey, look. Over here. You missing? Oh, you got him? All right. Okay. Look like tea time, guys. Alhamdulillah. Oh, he's back. He's back, girl. You're going to have to get him. Get him. Tafadhal. Get him. Get him. Get the kitty. Hiya. She going to get it. Uh-oh. You going under the bed? Be careful. Be careful. Be careful. The wildcats bit me. Not these, but I got bit before. That's from the wild cats. These cats hungry all the time. You got them?
What is she?
You giving yourself a kiss? She like herself. Yeah, nice. Good girl. Wow. That's an Ethiopian dance. I'm gonna get my daughter a big mirror like that. I'm gonna get my baby a big mirror like that. Who you laughing at? Yay! She love herself. Sinjality. That's your baby? That's your baby? Ethiopia what? Deen? Ethiopia? MashaAllah. Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. Hey. Alhamdulillah. I love Ethiopia. Sinjalata, Ethiopia. Hey, that cat ain't come back out, little girl. I don't see that cat. Whoa, be careful, don't fall. Yay!